Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time in Rockstar games. In this video seeing before, like and comment this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. In these steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart, so go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button, click to restart your system. Sometimes this method work it. Just try it, then go to the next step. Run as admin Rockstar game in GTA. So go to that Rockstar with the shortcut launcher, then right click on the properties, then go to the capability tab and check for select the capability mode. Below check for select the run this program as administrator. Once it's select, hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, device manager. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type the device manager. We can click to open it. Then go to the display adapter, then click to expand, then your switch graphics card, select and right click. Click on the update driver. We can click on the browse my computer for drivers. Here change this location. So click on the browse, scroll down, click on this PC. Then local disk C, click here, then scroll down, click on the Windows folder, and scroll down, click on the Win folder and select. Hit the OK button, click here to change this location. Here already changed it, I show you. So let me pick from list available your graphics card, select and click on the next button, click here to update your graphics card. Then come to back and go to the next step, manually update your graphics driver. So for that, go to the Windows search bar, then type that your graphics card name, then you can click to open it. Then we can go to the drivers. Here available update, just download button, click here to update that latest version. So I will skip it this step, but you are update only, come to back, then go to the next step, Windows update. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that settings. We can click to open it, then go to the Windows update. Then we can click to the recent update, click to update the latest version. After that, just to restart your system, then your problem fix it. If you have any doubt, subscribe to I comment, I give the answer. This method working or not working, comment section, go to comment. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.